Wagwan peeps, so not deal with. Don't know say yo daily run the road is here. The general himself. Yeah, we're in the street right now. Go on, kick it back, you see it? Yeah man. So yeah, I drop up on video my general post. So just like a repost it back over, you see me? Yeah man. So I don't know none of my video for him one, so that's an endorse thing for them, you see it? Yeah man. Kapuchi. Don't know say who no familiar with kapuchi, you know kapuchi, you know, you see it?
Kapuchi, representative for Delhi round the road. From straight out of Florida. You know Matty. You know a food changer said that. Like, share and subscribe. You know a Matty and a food changer said that.
Right, I run the place. Everything kapuchi. St. Thomas. Everything alright. Step on studio. Where it goes then? Kapuchi. Kapuchi. And the new dance name Kapuchi. Kapuchi. Kapuchi.
Okay, this is Joan Souvenir and Gift Shop. Yes, I have a celebrity right here. It's Kapuchi, Big Boss, Marlon at the Kingston Craft Market. I'm Auntie Joan, so you can always come and shop with me. They're right here, him and his family shopping.
What where you can take them off?
Eh?
Why can you take them off?
Them suck me up, hook more.
Why?
So a different one, but every day you go.
No, but what make you want to put a different one?
Put a different one because, yo. After them, but every day you go.
Okay, you not ready to come off it, man. Them give you a date to take them off. You cut well already?
You know, when I put the different, what you have to get something, we wipe it off, you know,
Yeah.
they throw the water, you know, there's something.
Yeah.
And I throw the something in it to get it.
Yeah.
Wipe it.
And just it, clean it.
Just it, clean it up. Yeah,
okay. So you come up here, man.
Yeah, come here, man.
Oh, chimney now, man. Alright, mommy. Come.
You know?
Yeah, mommy, come. Can sit down.
Nên là cô mang ca một ngọt đi dạ không
Nothing.
không có mà em bao giờ em bao mua mấy real bông cá đồng phải biết đi wipe it do something with food and all that bottle water something like and pour the water mua mấy cái cột cho them mà aku bay nó đi gì rồi này nghe đi qua ít dạ quên anh em không mua gì đó bông cá đồng I go to what would you clear and get the slipper along with the iron something go. I also in car today. Yeah, go to there. Without go tomorrow, go to there. And whatever day we go. Go why put all. What me I feel pain night and it
You feel pain?
Ain't dry. You know what it's dry.
Ain't you not feel pain, innit?
No, man, I feel pain for 2 hours school. Me tell you. Lick it up, I'll get the beer.
Yes, but we don't want you lick it up. That's why we don't want you walk up and
go to the camera one.
Alright, we'll have that. Alright, Kapuchi. We'll have that.
Go beard, man.
Alright, mommy.
And why go?
Mommy, all this.
So that go some money.
All this.
I go some money also.
Take it out.
Eh? I go some money.
I go some money?
I pay some money.
We'll have. Alright.
Well, we read it.
We'll have. Wait, so you want to read it?
We read.
I read it. Let me see.
We read.
Alright, now you say you want to read it tonight. Alright.
I'm going to be
Alright, so Judy Richards.
Yes, sir.
One lady named Judy Richards, you know. She sent this for you.
Yes, sir.
So it's 100 US. So you can check it out for me. Check it right now and say tell me how much you get.
$13,800.
Alright, yeah man. So that's where the 100 US come up to.
Yes.
Alright?
And
You can keep that so you can tell her thanks.
Thanks, miss. No thanks.
Yeah.
And you feel good.
Yeah, Miss Richards, you know?
Yes. To all heap of thanks.
Yeah man. So Kapuchi and I tell Miss Richards thanks.
Thank you. Me I get out to go to garden. Bonga, moment, getting well, getting out. Moment, I'll be like what they call them and dry up. This is a Japan, Japan. And we can cut out this now and put this up road. Then we all open now with round so. And I wouldn't know for man. I left this. We all
Not to the island.
This dry up. Mom, go today. Our school can take it out.
It's a appointment.
Yeah, you have to work with appointment. They have to tell you when to come.
How today I was?
Today Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't want to go to the garden, but then every day we go see them, I eat food.
What kind of food that?
Yeah. What? What is
Yeah,
it? Egg and sausage on it.
Wow, nice breakfast. What do you mean?
I mean, eat it. I'm going to that. We go to Bombard before next time come.
We can't go
One
before
time
the
we
time.
are go today.
No, but watch out, we can't go before the time. So when the doctor them say you're supposed to come the day, you have to go on that day.
True.
So today is somebody else's day, alright? So you have to go when them say. You can't just pick up and go in home like that, you see it? Alright?
You drive home.
Yeah, man, they don't 1, 2, 3 that, man, I'll do that on next time, man. When I'm ready for them, man. Hey. Oh, yeah, sir.
And then some drive on, you know, why the pilot are rub it, bleed. And it bleed. I think I tell you, it bleed. I'm smoke this full of blood. I smoke is full of blood.
Alright, my boss, so, just, so, kapuchi, I make a run on the winner. Okay, alright, yeah, man,
Yes,
so.
Miss Richard.
Yeah,
Thanks again.
yeah, well, I like y'all,
We got it. Enough thanks.
I like y'all.
Alright. Alright, here, Cap. Yeah, man, so we are moving now. I link you up here. Alright, so mommy, I gotta get us some stuff to eat and thing. Yeah, man, you can do it, man. You can do it your way, man.
If you ever know the amount of thanks.
Yeah.
Yes, enough thanks.
Yeah, man.
You don't really know the amount of thanks. And Miss Richard, you really know.
Yeah.
You just hear me talk.
Yeah.
But me say enough thanks.
Yeah, man. For real.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright. So take care later, yeah? Kapuchi. I'm going to work now, here.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
You want trim now?
Yeah, can go trim?
Not today. I can't go trim today. I can't go trim. I call you and tell you when I can't go trim. Alright? Yeah, man. I call you and tell you when I come for you and can't go trim. Here. I rather you wait for you for trim, you know.
No, I can't hear.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm playing again.
Not today. I gotta work
Yeah,
now.
go today, man.
I gotta work now, man.
I can't. I don't go back home now. Drive over that one.
But you know, well, you know what, mate? I gotta work now, so.
So I'm doing about the top shop.
Eh?
The top shop. The one there. The one that was cheap, right?
Buckshot?
No buckshot.
Oh.
The one with the bowl, you know that kid one there. You got him one time.
Oh, yeah, you talk about Muta?
Muta.
Oh, about Muta. Yeah, man. I be a big tune Muta do for over there.
Eh?
Be a big song Muta voice for over there.
Yeah.
You hear him? Alright.
Then one man
yeah, man.
I can't do my bottom one. But one go. I the band be one. Go on, you know.
Me know what.
Yeah, man, see yo. Yo, say come and see I take a poaching. I'm gonna be I take a wood. I move that tell me say. Yo, go pull you and chill me say.
Alright. You what now? Alright, you what now? Me come for you. Me call the mother when me left come for you.
Yeah, done for you.
Alright.
Tomorrow you line up.
Alright, my boss. So you are. Later. Me shout it.
You should have go. I will line up. I can't go again. Go man. I'm like a fool. I walk small while again and don't be
You can't get now. Me gotta work, my you. Me don't tell you say me gotta work, brother. Where you going, sir? Where you rush you think, sir? Me gotta work now, man. So when me done do what me do kapuchi, me shout to mommy and you know we move, alright?
Yeah.
We link up. Mommy, big up yourself. Alright? Yeah, man, we link you up back. Alright, cool.
Kapuchi.